You know what? Habang tumatanda ako, nare-realize ko na yung pagkakaroon ng small circle of friends is not loneliness. For me, it's a sign of maturity. And it's about choosing peace over chaos. It's about choosing genuine friendships over temporary friendships. At yung totoo, not everyone deserves access to your personal space, to your silent battles, to your time, even your soft heart. And those things become more valuable to me as I grow older. And hindi naman siguro sa pagiging picky ko pagdating sa friendships. Natutunan ko lang na real connection should be safe, should be effortless, should be what do you call this? Should be sincere. Hindi yung competitive, hindi yung confusing, and also hindi yung heavy.